Trouble don't they happen to my viewers. One woman wey carry her Ghana must go. Say she dey travel come up from Nigeria. Say she won't leave Nigeria problem for on her way dey inside before we go see. We no know say her village people don't they follow. As it be, this woman don't run mad. My viewers are beg. Make her follow me watch.
But if you have to say they don't know say you want go. Just say get load now, plenty now.
That's good for
Now. So next time, whenever you're traveling, don't tell any of your family members. But just imagine this lady. She was actually prepared to travel. Just imagine when she gets to the airport, car park, you can see the airport car park. She became mad. She started running, became a mad woman. But you don't understand. You don't understand. They do this. So how you want to help here? Let's go down the wrong stage. Don't they go mad?
Now wow. So now like this madness just they start. Person go just they start to the craze just like that. But they very certain say this auntie don't go tell person something. Maybe person where she go miss I dey travel, I don't get visa out of jubilation. She don't know say the person no happy for her. I just say that the person and I don't go reason her. Or maybe she herself she don't go to her hand inside the titty because now nobody to trust. You know if you dey pity her say she na person do and a person do. Making herself can't go realize it, maybe now she go do something say make she travel the thing now don't come go backfire. But I beg all these kind of things where they have I know as I go they talk. Because to me now the person where they record they talk say now because she go tell person. It means say people we dey surrounded by wicked people. Person where they surrounded by you know go know say the person don't like you. The person feel they follow you, they laugh, say, my friend, you they travel. But you know say this person don't even carry your matter go babalawo. But this one where this woman come they do, I know even as they go take do. Me, I don't reason say, maybe they collect her passport and her phone. Maybe they go see some people to take target. Now here this woman they come from. Because if this one go enter inside market, now the end be that the craze go even enter times 2. Because now no say if anywhere they don't enter market, the matter don't close. So this one, I know be in a church, they go carry this woman go. I been aware they go carry her go. Because I see the reason I say, this madness never enter GR2. Because person where they mad, we still remember say she carry bag come airport. She still they draw her bag. It means that they still find something to do. But I beg human, why be say we just dey wicked? We know they even pity our own fellow people. Say, this one, now opportunity in the find, go that place, go do. And I don't even think I'm messy for her. Say, okay, at least go. Go there, go prosper. The person just reach airport immediately. Now can start the whole madness. It means say people they wicked. You will be say you won't travel, but you will be say you get somewhere go. I beg if it get possible, no even tell anybody at all. Do your own thing, execute your own plan because you don't know the mind of people. You don't know who they wish you back, so you just did by say you do your thing by yourself. Later if they hear say why you be say you do this one, you no tell me, go just tell them sorry, no vex. Now they made the matter end because now me I don't even dey fear human being. I be fellow human, but the things where people they do now, they make me they fear, they make me they wonder. How people go get this kind of heart and mind for their own fellow human being. But anyway, I pray say this girl go get her sanity back. She go well back. If not to travel back, I know now she go take one. But I just the hope say her family self go locate her then treat her well before this matter go get out of hand. Anyway, my viewers, now here I go take break on this matter. Make her join me in our next video. Stealing don't turn to blessing for one 8-year-old boy inside Zambia. Some months back, now they do a video of one small boy who say the boy go thief onions. All of a sudden, now there person will catch and come begin they threaten the boy saying he go carry the boy go police station and here and there. For people who no watch this video, make now follow me watch.
Umulandu waku nsuma plus no waku iba onyonyi pa skulu ni shaba inge milandu.
Okale kani muntu ale kule bama milanga tu.
Bama me bachikutuma? So ni stola kutola kuli bama.
Okafwa ele ni fya kabondia mumsepe.
Tuwe kutola ku polisi. Onso wiba bala mtola ku polisi. So na binzi ya pasku ni wobo waibile. Fionse fibro pasku ni wobo wiba to akukata lero. So ine onyonyo tola langsha polisi atuywe mwana utuyibira fionse ka paskulu yu. Nenkoko wiba.
This boy even get power, they fight for here. But anyway, as this woman do this thing, now the police come begin investigate this whole matter. Say how a 8-year-old boy could involve himself in stealing. And no be saying they even steal any better thing. No be saying na money you go steal. No be saying na car you go steal. All news, 90s guy go steal. Now there they come realize, say, this boy na from poor family. Say this guy mama, in fact, the mama even dey impaired. Like she know they feel move. She get some kind challenges where she dey go through. And the worst of all, they don't even get papa. This person a widow. Now there they come the reason and say, okay, now they understand why this boy they steal. And they do all this one just because say wait, he won't try survive. He won't hustle for him family making chop. Now there as the police hear this one, they can't even begin sympathy for this guy. Now there before we will see. People begin donate for this guy as he be self. They don't even get these people house. Carry food stuff, give this honestly as person what I'm gonna call as sin, they carry person into miracle. Because the teacher will do this one, be person will video this one, he don't even notice this one go turn into blessing. He just don't say he won't disgrace the boy. Not knowing say now from here this guy go see his own blessing. But I beg I won't talk something. A 8-year-old boy at this age now don't they hustle for the family. It means that this African poverty they kill people. Because people will be saying he supposed they school. At least at this age they read ABC or be something. Now in they say no work for him to do. Nothing we no fit do now to go the thief. I beg me say Gambia self even worse as we dey complain about Nigeria. Now so Gambia self they very very bad. I beg make una find something to do because it no dey normal for a small boy like this. See as the guy even dey very very tattered. So if not be say this person even pose it, and so this boy go there, they live in misery. They live in poverty. Their government no they do anything about them. They no they even try to help them. And this one a bad thing. But anyway, this one it just be like saying a miracle. God just want make this boy luck shine. Because as I hear say people now don't they plan to put this boy in school and do other things for the family. So this one na just great way for the guy. But I hope say they go follow the guy self talk. Maybe make no go be say the thief don't even enter the boy body. Make they follow and talk advice and say this act way they do is no good. Even if at all, if not to go they sell things, at least manage and do still it no be the best option. But anyway, as they don't discover this guy now, I hope say soon the government will find something do about this matter. My viewers, now here I go end up for today. Make us stay tuned for our next story.